I just woke up and I'm already helping mommy.
Oh, you will help mommy to put the clothes in the washing machine?
Yeah, it's already time.
Okay, it's already time. Okay, you open now the washing machine. Wala naman, tita. Kasi magbababoy. Yeah, that's all colored clothes, Ate Iya. Okay, you can do that. That's the discuss.
The bag is big.
Yeah, that's all.
I can't hold it very well.
Okay. Yeah, you put on. Okay. You put it on. It's okay. Put on the dirty clothes. Yeah, that's Daddy's pants.
Daddy's pants is really big.
Mm-hmm.
You're just wearing shorts, Mom.
Yeah, because I'm just here in the house. We're just here in the house. It will fit? Yeah.
I think so. It might fit. Or maybe we can just
Yeah, put na all.
double at a time. It's better for sit. It's not that easy.
Not that easy? Oh my God. But you should learn how to put the laundry in the washing machine so that if mommy is not in the house,
I know how
and-
to put the laundry in the washing machine. What? But I don't know which buttons to tap. Those
I will show you.
things.
Okay. Then, finish. You put everything. Okay. Then, close it properly. Make it lock. Okay, good job. Oh, you still remember which one to open? No. Here, okay. You put muna
This one?
the soap muna, the detergent powder. Put a little here.
Tell me when to
See?
stop.
Yeah. Oops. And here also. Oops. Okay.
That's a lot.
That's it. Okay. You switch it on. Switch it on. This one is on.
On.
Yeah, on. Then choose the bulky. This one is bulky. Okay, put that in the bulky. Okay, that's it. Then put this one in the 1000. Yeah, press. Okay, then press this one start. Good job. It's done.
It's
will work now.
done.
Okay, it's done. Good job, Ate Iya. Thank you.
1 hour later.
Guys, the laundry is finished.
Yeah, it's now finished. So it's time to remove the clothes from...
The washing machine.
Okay, you can do it, Ate?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. You can pull? Very good. It's so easy.
You,
Then,
you just have to squish, squish.
squish, squish. Or pull, press. Okay. Oh, you can do it? You want mommy to help you?
I can do it.
Very good. You put, yeah, that's Daddy's ano. Put muna the smaller. Okay. Good job, Ate Iya. Alex, you want to help Ate Iya? Remove the clothes. Good job, kids. Very good. Slowly lang. Slowly. Huh?
Not getting.
It's not getting slowly lang because that's too much.
And we
Good
need to
girls.
squish.
Mhm. Oh, some more?
Yeah. Smells good.
It smells good, yeah. Oops. Wow, too much. Oh my God. Oh, you check first if there's some more that's left inside. No more? No more? Check. No more. Okay, very good. Okay, so it's a one pail of clothes that is washed.
I want it to make them all.
Huh?
That's so much.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay na ate. Don't, mommy will carry it. I will dry it now. Okay, you say bye-bye na? No need, no need. It's so difficult. Mommy will dry it outside in the balcony. Okay? Say bye-bye. Alex, don't do that. Bye. Later again.
See you later.
How about Alex, what you want?
Mama.
Mamon. Okay, we will make